found a small crystal flask filled with a liquid and a yellow glass egg. That's the Philosopher's Stone and the Elixir of Life. It's the master work of the alchemists. Whoever swallows that elixir will never be sick again, and a fragment from that stone turns any metal into gold. The Arabs laughed at him, and the alchemists laughed along. They thought his answer was amusing, and they allowed the boy and the alchemist to proceed with all of their belongings. Are you crazy? The boy asked the alchemist when they'd moved on. What did you do that for? To show you one of life's simple lessons, the alchemist answered. When you possess great treasures within you, and try to tell others of them, seldom are you believed.
Quickly, I'm just gonna sell 3. We'll keep it what it is. All right. I mean, I think that should be enough to pay for gas fees. What do you think? Wow. You know what? Alchemist.farm. Let's go. Mint a Crucible. First, you will need to provide liquidity. All right, let's try this out. So we'll just do it with one alchemist. So we'll go to pool to provide your liquidity. You have to provide half and half of equal amounts in dollar amounts. So if you're going to provide $100 worth of mist, you have to provide $100 worth of ETH. All right. Mist. Okay. So we'll just do 1 mist and we will supply. And I'll be able to add more later. If you click here, it'll take you straight to the liquidity pool. I didn't know that. I just went on my own and did it. So it'll be even easier. So if you go to Alchemist.farm, click here, and it'll take you to directly to the liquidity pool, and it will already fill the Alchemist token in there for you. As you guys saw, I just put 1. You can put as many mist as you want, but you'll have to match that with the equivalent amount, dollar amount in Ethereum to provide liquidity. Just gonna do 1 for right now, just to mint my Crucible. Deposited 1 mist. All right, let's see if it works with just 1. So let's go on ahead and provide this liquidity. Confirm. Okay, confirm. That's all you need if you want to mint your Crucible. But the more LP you add, the more liquidity that you provide, the more rewards you're going to receive. But it is my understanding that you can stake and unstake your LPs within the Crucible. So I'll be able to add more to it a little later on. I'm just waiting for this transaction to go through. Okay, it's still pending. Please go through. You can check your progress here on Etherscan. 6 minutes, you're kidding me. This is something that Alchemist Coin is trying to solve. The price that MetaMask gave me for gas was around this price, which is the slow. It's only supposed to be 6 minutes. It's already been 13 minutes. What I'm gonna attempt is to speed it up. Oh, hold on. Oh, live. We caught it live. Okay, so it went through. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And there's the sound I was waiting for, music to my ears. But I only sold enough to pay for gas so enough to provide LP, as well as have enough left over for gas so we can mint our first Crucible. So to mint our first Crucible, we go to Alchemist.farm. First, you need to provide liquidity, which I did. Connect your wallet. This is a nice, sexy UI compared to what it was originally. It was so plain. You could see that the website was not this sexy as it is now. So progress is being made. All right, so we're going to connect. All right. Only have 0.17 of an LP, not even a whole LP. But you can mint a Crucible, which is 1 mist and the equal amount of Ethereum. Up top is going to show you how much Alchemist you have and how many LPs you have. We'll do the max, which is only 1.6. Mint Crucible and stake. Uniswap version 2, Alchemist.farm. We're going to sign that. Sign that again, I guess. Okay. All right. That's going to be the gas fee. That is why I sold what I sold. Now, hold on. Oh, yeah, I have plenty. Okay. So let's try it once again. Providing the max LP. You can provide however much LP you want, but I mean, why just do the max? Not financial advice. I mean, if you have the LPs, the whole point is to put them in your Crucible, so you would obviously want to do the max. But for all intents and purposes, you put however much of your LP you want to stake. Sign again. So this part is a little slow. It's a little quirky. It's like you have to do it twice. It rejects it once. Oh, the second one said universal vote. That's why. The first one, if you notice, it said Uniswap version 2, and then the second one said universal vote. So it should switch over like it did the first time. Just had to give it some time. Okay, I'm waiting. And before to do this, it was much more complicated. That's why some of the people in the Discord were like, "Oh, make a version 2 and just keep version 1 for those who." But nobody knows what this is actually gonna do. Nobody really knows for sure yet. They had to jump through a lot of hoops in order to mint their first Crucible. They actually had to use code, and then someone from the community, I forget his name, sorry, he created this website, which it's made by the community. It's approved, but it wasn't made by Stefan. What's going on? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And then you just click confirm. So you can see from my wallet to here. Just click confirm. DMC and DJ Run. Dum diddy dum diddy diddy dum dum. All right, all right, all right. We're making our first Crucible, baby. So we're just gonna go ahead, spend a few $100 just to mint a Crucible. I don't even want to leave this page, so I'm gonna wait. Just to provide the LP, it took like over almost 15 minutes. So this might take 15 minutes. I'm not gonna leave this recording for 15 minutes. We'll be right back. 35 minutes later. Still think I don't have my Crucible yet. You know what? I had a dream I was doing this. This is so weird. I'm having a deja vu moment right now. And this is before Alchemist coin even came out. This is so strange. Just had a deja vu moment. You guys ever have deja vu? Is there a glitch in the matrix right now? I mean, I paid $138 in gas. Well, view it on Etherscan. Estimated confirmation duration 4 hours. Are you serious? Oh, it's saying I only use 83 Gwei. Oh, okay. So while we're on this, just to quickly explain what minor extractable value is, which is what Stefan the Ghost Step, that's what he always talks about is MEV, minor extractable value. And what happens is, if any of you haven't researched it yet, in summary, what miners learned how to do is, instead of it being first come, first serve, as far as, completing your transaction, they look for whichever transaction, whoever's paid the most. So they're going to take care of those transactions first so that they can make the most money. And because you use less gas than, person B or C, you get put in the back of the line. And that's what MEV is all about. You can look it up, Google it, do some research on it. But this is what actually Flashbots, if I'm not mistaken, Flashbots, what he created, and even this whole Alchemist coin, part of it, and probably that Mystex is probably going to help kind of counteract it. What's the word? Somebody put it in the comments. You know what I mean. It's going to try to make it fair. Try to make our transactions fair where it's first come, first serve, not whoever paid the most money gets served first. Because honestly, I guess that's the way of the world, but the whole concept of decentralization and the whole dream about this is to make things fair for everyone. Am I right? But at the same time, these miners are paying electricity. They had to pay for their time. They have to maintain their miners. They had to pay for the actual miners themselves, so their time and then all that and their money. But sometimes you get greed in the mix too. You see what I'm saying? It's just human nature, I guess. So I've been here for 30 minutes. Supposedly it's 4 hours, the estimated confirmation duration. How long it takes to mint a Crucible? All right, let's see if someone answered that. Jump. How long it takes to mint a Crucible? How long? Depends how busy the network is. And all right, shouldn't be long. How long is not long? 4 hours later. Let's see. This is weird. I received a notification on my Trust wallet that said that I sent the LP to the contract address for the farm, but on Etherscan it's not saying success. So let's see what happens. Oh, you see here it's showing that it's done. Let's check this one out. And it took the money out. That's weird. Let's see. All right, it says success. And is this the same transaction? Transaction hash ending in 6609. 6609. Yeah, so I guess this page is just stuck. It took 1 hour and 49 minutes. And to be honest, so now let's click. Yeah, I don't know why it took that long. I don't know why it said that I only used 83. Because if you went to the other one, it was saying I only used 81 Gwei. No, this was for something else. Oh, I X'd out. That was another one. So anyway, yeah, it was showing that I only used 83 Gwei. But anyway, that's how you do it. Let's go back to Alchemist.farm. Let's see, Crucible. Okay, so you see now it says 0 LPs. And boom. There we go. So this will calculate your rewards, your missed rewards, your ETH rewards, the LP token balance, your current missed balance in the LP, cumulative loss, total gains given the starting price of your Ether missed deposit into the Uniswap liquidity pool. And this is probably because the price went down. It was kind of like around here when I added liquidity, I believe, because Miss went down. Probably Ethereum went down too since I added the liquidity. And that's another thing. It's called impermanent loss. I mean, look, if you're like brand new to staking, LP mining, farming, all of that, you need to watch some videos on impermanent loss. But I'm not worried about that at this point. Plus, I only staked a little bit. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. So you can add to the Crucible. And that's what I was saying. That's why I said I want my Crucible now. I'm officially an alchemist. So now, okay, in order to see it in your wallet on Etherscan, okay, boom. Then look for your wallet address on Etherscan. Just copy and paste it. And then you go to ER721, boom. And there it is. Ha ha. I think this is the Crucible. Okay, so yeah, you also want to add the Crucible contract address, which I will put in the description. So now we'll go to your wallet and add the Crucible contract address. Go all the way down, add token, custom address, paste. Boom. Crucible version 1. Ha ha! Let's go. And it's in there. Now, you can go to OpenSea.io to view your Crucible. Yeah, I already have an account with OpenSea. I've actually sold stuff on here before and purchased. So I think I can go to sign into my wallet. Okay, these are NFTs that I have. And yes, I own nakedmatrix.eth. And there it is. You can view it. Now, the artwork isn't there. They just finished the contest, and there is a winner. We can go ahead and check out who won. But there was first place, second place, third place, and so forth. And they all received some mist for their efforts. So now, and everyone that's in red, certified alchemist. Okay. So back to becoming a certified alchemist in the Discord, so you can get that red tag, the red name. All right. So we go to welcome, join, return. Please check DM. Collab land. Okay. Connect your wallet. Click there. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's see. All right. So let's go. Connect. Sign. Wallet connected. Please close this window and check Collab land by DM. Info. Updating roles. Please check assign roles in Alchemist. Assign a new role on Alchemist server. Yes. All right. Let's go. So, yes. Ha ha. This is butter. Butter, baby. See the red now? Certified Alchemist. There you go. After 1 month of joining the community and even making Alchemist coin videos, I'm finally a certified alchemist. Feels good, man. Let's go. There you go. Hopefully, right. All right. So there we go. Folks. I finally made this Crucible video. Hopefully, you understood how it went. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also link Bitcoin Boost video as well, so you can watch his after you watch mine. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're a certified alchemist. Feels good, man. Definitely feels good. Thank you all for watching and sticking it out with me. And, congratulations for being part of the guild. And let's keep changing our lives, one Ethereum at a time.